Welcome to this tutorial, which covers part 1 of the new data selection process, grouping data items into folders. Grouping is particularly helpful where a logger has recorded a large number of data streams, in this case almost 500, and is used to make the list more manageable. We group the data into folders by choosing a column to group by, and the data is split into one folder for each unique value in that column. For example, the type parameter is a good starting point for categorizing data streams, so I'd click on the Group By drop-down box and select Type. Note that the grouping drop-down boxes allow you to group data by the values in any of the columns in the list. The list is now a collection of top-level folders, and the Type column has moved over to the left. If we overlay the original Type column data over the collapsed list, we can see how a folder has been created for each of the type values in the column, and the relevant data streams will be grouped under each of the folders. I can still sort the order of the type folders by clicking on the column header, and I can sort the order of items within the type folders by clicking on another column header. You may have noticed that the type folder does not sort alphabetically. In fact, it's the only column that doesn't, and is instead ordered roughly by how often the parameters are used, with the most used parameters, i.e. volts and current AC, appearing first in the list. If we'd like to work with even smaller sets of data, we can add a secondary layer of grouping within the type folders. If I was interested in the voltage data on a particular phase, say, I could do a secondary grouping by phase. I'd click on the Then By drop-down box and select the phase column. Now I can open the voltage AC and phase folders to see just the data I'm interested in. Now to cancel a layer of grouping, click on the respective drop-down box and select None. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For information on the buttons related to the folders, please watch the Data Selection Part 2 tutorial, which covers these Show Hide buttons.